Hey everyone, my name is Mars, like the planet, and this is Housewarming. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning my living room. Now I already made a video a couple of weeks ago decluttering my bathroom, and today I'm focusing on the living room. Obviously the space is not dirty, but once a year around this springtime, I like to spring clean every single one of my areas, and I like to break it up. I don't want to spend hours and hours and hours trying to tackle the entire house because I think that can be quite overwhelming. I like to take it one space at a time. So today I'm going to be taking the covers off of the sofa and washing those. I'm going to be dusting and cleaning off all the surfaces as well as dusting the fan. I'm also going to be washing the windows inside and out and then giving our plants a drink. So I hope you find this video very helpful and gives you some motivation. I hope that you were up cleaning with me. If not, that is perfectly fine. Remember to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment of the videos you'd like to see next. I have an entire playlist dedicated to cleaning motivation, so you are welcome to check out those after. And let's get into the video. Okay, so I have all of the cushion covers in the wash right now. I have dusted off the fireplace and the mantle, and I've also dusted off right here where our TV is. What would you call these, like sideboards? I've dusted those off as well. Now I'm going to focus on washing the windows. I like to wash the windows probably once a year. I'm just gonna be using soap and water and then Windex. And to make sure your windows are actually clean, you actually need to wash the inside of the window and the outside. So I am gonna be going outside to wash those windows. So I'm gonna be getting these two right here and this one over here. So all of the windows are clean. I just used Windex on the inside, and then I took a bucket of warm water and soap and a squeegee and just washed the outside. A lot of times when they, cut the grass outside, some of the grass can kind of blow on the window. So I wiped that off, as well as bugs and dead critters. And there was some lichen growing at the bottom that I like to get off as well. But yes, so all of the windows are clean now. I have dusted off all of the surfaces. The living room is kind of looking a hot mess, but I'm going to now dust the ceiling fan. Then I'm going to vacuum and put everything all back together. Are you helping? Are you helping me? Thank you. You're such a big help. Thank you so much. Okay, so we are almost at the finish line. All I have to do is put the cushion covers back on the cushions, and then I have to water the plants, and we are all done. We cleaned this room from top to bottom, and so I'm super happy about how satisfying it was. I feel like the room just feels a little lighter, feels a little fresher. But yeah, those are the last two things we have to do, and then we are all done. So we are all done. We have everything put back together. We have the sofa cover cushions back on the sofa. I have all of this dusted off right here. I have my wax warmer going, smelling good. I have everything wiped off. I made sure to dust the mirror and clean off the mantle. I have the floors all vacuumed. I even took the time to wipe down the fireplace as well as the door. There were some bugs that had gotten in. I wiped off all of the windowsills and washed off the windows outside. And with that, we are all done. Oh, lastly, I forgot I dusted off the fan as well. So with that, we are all done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And I will see you in the next one on Wednesday. Bye, everybody.